In this video, I will show you how to fix the EA server error in FIFA 16 Ultimate Team on Android. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data network. By switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you want to toggle on the airplane mode, then wait for a couple of seconds and then toggle it off. This should refresh your network. Now check whether FIFA 16 Ultimate Team is loading properly. If not, then you want to check the EA servers for it. Open any web browser and search EA Sports Status, then head over to this website right here, help.ea.com. Now you want to scroll down and check if the servers are working properly. Since FIFA 16 is an older game, EA has discontinued the online services for many legacy FIFA titles. If the servers have been shut down, online modes such as Ultimate Team will no longer be accessible and there is no client-side fix for this. Next, you want to clear the game's cache. For that, open Settings. Now tap on Apps. From this list, search for FIFA 16 Ultimate Team. Once you find it, tap on the storage option, then tap on clear cache. If the problem persists, restart your phone and try again. You can also uninstall the app and reinstall it again and check. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.